беспонтовая музыка. На самом деле, очень плохая музыка.
А зачем вы пришли сюда?
Я думал, намного лучше будет это все. И очень плохая музыка, просто очень плохая музыка. Я думал, намного лучше это все будет. Сколько раз сюда ходил, было намного лучше, но на этот раз как-то не удалось. Во-первых, народу мало, музыка не очень.
А что за направление?
А?
Что за направление?
Направление? Какое направление?
Что за направление музыки играет там?
I'm putting this video out to share the file I use to track all my training PRs. I've linked the Excel and Google Doc versions below so you can save them down and edit for your own training. This will pair well with the file I shared in my last video, which was intended to help you plan out and track your training. So let's get into this. Here's the spreadsheet. This isn't just for 1-rep maxes, but all rep PRs. And I have tabs that account for all the different muscle groups. Each one of these blocks represents a different exercise. And the leftmost column, this represents repetitions. I have 1 through 30 on here, as this likely encapsulates the rep ranges that 99% of lifters work in. If you're a full-blown psychopath like Tom Platz on leg day, you can go ahead and drag down these rows here to whatever rep range you want. The name of the exercise would go in this black section. So since we're on the quads tab, let's just throw in high bar squat. And then the white cells below, this would represent the most weight you've ever done for each corresponding rep range on the left. And the gray column to the right would be where you put the date that you set that PR. So let's, for example, let's say you walk into the gym for the first time ever and you do high bar squats with 100 pounds for 10 reps. After that session, you'd open up this spreadsheet and record that. So, right, we did 100 pounds and drag it down to 10 reps because technically that's the most weight you've ever done for all reps between 1 and 10. And then let's just say it's January 1st for simplicity. Then let's say you come in the next session a few days later, let's say on January 5th, and you do 115 for 5 reps. You do the same thing. You'd open this up, and for reps 1 through 5, you'd throw in 115, and then you'd make sure to record the date as well. And you would just continue to do that as you set PRs. It may look weird now because there's not much data in here, but as the years go by and you've worked in a broader array of rep ranges and set all kinds of PRs, this will start to fill out nicely. And I've just included 5 blank movement blocks in each of these tabs for this template, but obviously as you do more exercises over time, you would just copy this over like that and add movements as you need to. And yeah, that's all I have for today. Have a good one.